So this time we will convert standard equation into general form of equation. Okay, so we'll know that the standard equation of a circle is in the form of x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. This is a standard equation of a circle. Then we will convert this equation into a general form of equation as ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus a equals to 0. So this one, from this standard to general form of equation. So what we are going to do, so let us try example as we have solved a while ago. The x plus 4 square plus y minus 3 square equals to 7. So what we need is expand this x plus 4 square and y minus 3 square. Then how to expand? We can use binomial or the so-called FOIL. So let us try first binomial in x part. So let us use x, since you have exponent 2, x square, then start 4 at 0 exponent, plus the x part is decreasing, so you have 2, so you have 1 here. Then 4 is from 0, so it becomes 1, plus x 0, then 4, and the 2, since you have 2 exponent. Take note, 2, 1, 0, and 0, 1, 2. So decreasing and increasing. So using the formula exponent to find the coefficient times coefficient divide number of term, you can have coefficient at this term. Okay, so exponent is 2, this one, 2 times, it has exponent coefficient there as 1, this number of term is 1, so 2 times 1 divide 1, your exponent becomes 2, your coefficient will 2. Then exponent 1 times coefficient 2 divide number of term, second term, so 2, so this will become 1 times 2 divide 2 is equals to 1. So silently it has 1 coefficient. So your expansion will become x square, since 4 raised to 0 is 1, plus 2 times 4 is 8x, plus since x raised to 0 is 1, so this one, so 4 square is 16. So this is your x part of your equation. So plus the y part. So in the y part, let us use FOIL. So it becomes y minus 3 times y minus 3, since you have y minus 3 square, so multiply it twice, y minus 3, y minus 3. So first, the FOIL is first y square, y times y, plus the out, this is your out, negative 3 times y, then in negative 3 plus negative 3 times y, and last, addition FOIL, plus negative 3 times negative 3. Okay, so it becomes y square negative 3y, negative 3y, negative 3 times 3 is 9. So it will become y square negative 6y, negative 3y is plus 9. So that is your y part. So this will become x square plus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. That is your y part. Then this is equal to 7. Okay, that is expansion. Yan. Kuha. X plus 4 square, this will become 8x, x square plus 8x plus 16. Y minus 3 raised to 2 will become y square minus 6y plus 9. Then copy 7. Okay. So, simple transposition and simple addition or rearrange the equation using this ax square plus by square plus ax plus y. So first is the squared part of the equation, then last is the linear. Then just copy x square, then y square, then x plus 8x negative 6y. So 16 plus 9, you have plus 25 equals to 7. Okay, so 7, we will just transpose this one into the left side of the equation. So this will become x square plus y, this is square, plus y square plus 8x minus 6y plus 25 minus 7 equals to 0. So 25 minus 7 will be the last operation. So this will become x square plus y square plus 8x minus 6y plus 18 equals to 0. So this is now your general form of equation. So that is how to convert standard equation to general form of equation using this formula: x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. Then convert to this form of equation: ax square plus by square plus ax plus dy equals to 0. So this is your final answer. X square plus y square plus 8x minus 6y plus 18 equals to 0.